Hello friends, welcome to TubeShala, where we explore the evolution of technology and its impact on our lives. Today we are diving into the fascinating journey of Microsoft Excel from its humble beginning to its pivotal role in the modern professional landscapes. Join us as we uncover the evolution of Excel and why mastering it is essential for success in today's world. But before we dwell deeper, let's explore why understanding Excel is more crucial than ever before. So let us begin with the story of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel has become an indispensable tool in the modern workplace, revolutionizing the way we analyze, organize, and visualize data. Its humble beginnings as a spreadsheet software have evolved into a powerful platform that has transformed our businesses and individuals' approach, productivity, and decision making. So the earlier versions and features of Excel included Excel 1.0 introduced in 1985. Excel 1.0 revolutionized spreadsheet software with its intuitive interface and powerful calculation capabilities. Then came Excel 2.0. This was introduced in 1987. Excel 2.0 expanded on the previous version with enhanced charting, macros, and more user-friendly designs. Further, in 1990s, Excel 3.0 introduced a range of features including 3D worksheets, pivot tables, and VBAs, that is Visual Basic for Applications. The origin of Excel, as we learned just now, is in 1985. Microsoft Excel was first released for the Apple Macintosh, marking the beginning of a new era in spreadsheet software. Yes, you heard it correctly. It was created for Apple Macintosh in the early days. In 1987, the Windows version of Excel was launched, quickly becoming a dominant spreadsheet application in the personal computers market. In 1993, the Excel 5.0 was released, introducing a range of new features and functions that solidified its position as a industry standard. Let us learn about the transition of Excel to Windows and graphic user interface. Moving to Windows, in 1987, Excel transitioned from Mac platform to a newly released Windows operating system, expanding its reach and user base. Next phase was to introduce the graphical user interface. The move to Windows enabled Excel to adapt a more intuitive graphical user interface, making it easier for the users to navigate and introduce the software. And thirdly, enhanced visuals. The GUI allowed for more advanced charting and visual characteristics, empowering users to present their data in more compelling and informative ways. The evolution of Excel. Increased functionality, improved user experience, and integration with other applications. Firstly, we will talk about increased functionality. Over the years, Excel has continuously expanded its suite of features and capabilities, from basic calculation to complex data analysis and visualization tools. Improved user experience. The user interface has been refined and streamlined, making Excel more intuitive and accessible for users of all skill levels. And the capability of Excel to integrate with other applications. Excel's seamless integration with other Microsoft Office applications and cloud-based services had greatly enhanced its value and versatility. Spreadsheet's revolution in 1980s was resulted in increased productivity. Excel's power calculation and analytical capabilities revolutionized how businesses and individuals managed and interpreted data. It created a competitive advantage. Companies that adopted Excel early on gained significant edge over their competitors as they could make data-driven decisions more efficiently. Then the democratization of data. Excel made data analysis accessible to a wider audience, empowering non-technical users to extract insights from their data. Now let us learn about the key features and functionalities of Excel. Firstly, the formulas and functions. Excel's powerful formula engine and extensive library of functions allows users to perform complex calculations and data analysis with ease. Next is charting and visualization capabilities. Excel's robust charting capabilities enable users to create a wide range of visually stunning charts and graphs to communicate data insights effectively. Data management. Excel's data management features such as sorting, filtering, and pivot tables help users organize and manipulate large data sets with very efficiency. Then collaboration tools. Excel's integration with cloud-based services allows for real-time collaboration, file sharing, and simultaneously editing among team members. Its impact on productivity. Excel's ability to streamline calculations. Excel's powerful calculation engine and formula capabilities have revolutionized how businesses and individuals perform complex computation and data analysis. Data visualization. Excel's charting and visualization tools have empowered users to communicate data insights more efficiently, effectively, leading to better informed decision making. Increased efficiency. The automation and time-saving features of Excel have helped users streamline their workflows and focus on more strategic tasks. Collaborative capabilities. Excel's integration with cloud-based services has enhanced real-time collaboration and seamless sharing of data and insights among team members. Excel in the modern workplace. See, we have discussed about data analysis. Excel's advanced data analysis tools such as pivot tables and Power Query have become essential for businesses to derive meaningful insights from large data sets. Financial modeling. Excel's flexibility and comprehensive financial functions make it a go-to tool for creating complex financial models and forecasts. Project management. Excel's scheduling, tracking, and reporting capabilities have made it a valuable tool for managing projects and coordinating team efforts. Excel 95 and the rise of data analysis. Firstly, pivot tables. Excel 95 introduced the powerful pivot table feature, enabling users to quickly summarize and analyze large data sets in a dynamic and interactive way. Trend lines and forecasting. New data analysis tools such as trend lines and forecasting allowed users to identify patterns and make predictions based on their data. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting enabled users to highlight specific data points or trends, making it easier to identify and communicate important insights. VBA automation. The expansion of VBA, that is Visual Basic Applications, allowed users to automate repetitive tasks and create custom solutions tailored on their needs. Excel 2000 and the Internet era. Web integration. Web integration with Excel 2000 enabled users to access online data sources and publish their spreadsheets on the web. Collaboration. The ability to share and collaborate on Excel files over the internet revolutionized how teams worked together on data projects. Data connectivity. Excel 2000 introduced enhanced data connectivity, allowing users to seamlessly import and integrate data from a variety of resources. Advanced analysis. New analytical tools such as scenarios, management and goal seeking empowered users to explore complex what-if scenarios and make data-driven decisions more effectively. The Excel 2010 and the cloud era. Cloud integration. Excel 2010 embraced cloud computing, allowing users to access, collaborate on their spreadsheet from anywhere using any device. The business intelligence. New data visualization and business intelligence features such as Power Pilot, Power Pivot, Power Query has transformed Excel into a powerful business intelligence tool. Mobile applications. The introduction of mobile application for Excel enabled users to stay productive and make data decisions on the go. Further advancements in Excel technology. Data automation. Excel integration with machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies has enabled more efficient data processing, analysis, and automation. Cloud collaboration. Excel's seamless integration with cloud-based services has revolutionized real-time collaboration, file sharing, simultaneous editing among team members. Intelligent insights. Excel's advanced analytics and data visualization capabilities have empowered users to uncover deeper insights and make more informed decisions. Mobile accessibility. The availability of Excel on mobile devices has made it easier for the users to access and work with data on the go, enhancing productivity and flexibility. The recent advancements and features of the future of Excel. Machine learning. Excel now integrates with artificial intelligence and machine learning tools, allowing users to uncover deeper insights and make more accurate predictions. Real-time data. The ability to connect Excel to live data sources such as databases and web services enables users to work with up-to-the-minute information. Augmented analytics. Advancements in natural language processing and intelligent data visualization are making Excel more user-friendly and intuitive for non-technical users. Automation. Integration with robotic processes automation, RPA, and artificial intelligence are automating tedious tasks, freeing up users to focus on strategic analysis. To conclude, the future of Microsoft Excel. As technology continues to evolve, the future of Microsoft Excel is poised to even more dynamic and transformative. Expect to see advancements in areas such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and real-time collaboration, further enhancing Excel's capabilities and cementing its position as an essential tool for businesses and individuals alike. I feel like I had been able to emphasize on the importance of learning Excel in any professional life. If you have liked this particular video, please do share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for getting more and more updates on Excel, and in case you have any queries, please do write in the comment box so that I can help you understand the concepts of Excel in a more better and professional manner. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.